Good day and welcome. In this presentation, we will explore how Vue.js, a powerful JavaScript framework, plays a crucial role in UI or the user interface development. We will delve into its features, benefits, and how it helps create dynamic and efficient user interfaces for web applications. Whether you are just starting in this field or have prior experience, this video aims to provide a clear understanding of Vue.js and its impact on modern UI development. Let's get started. First things first, what is UI development? UI stands for User Interface, which is the part of the application that users interact with. It's the design, the layout, buttons, and everything that helps users navigate through the software or website. UI development focuses on designing and building these elements to ensure they are easy to use, visually appealing, and functional. It's not just about making things look pretty. It's about creating an experience for the user that feels intuitive and efficient. UI development focuses on creating user friendly, visually appealing, and accessible interfaces. It uses tools like Figma and technologies like HTML, CSS, and frameworks such as Vue.js to build efficient designs. Key aspects include responsive design for all devices, prototyping and testing to refine usability, and performance optimization for smooth experiences. Regular user feedback and collaboration with teams ensure the UI meets both user needs and business goals. Now let's talk about Vue.js, which is one of the best tools for UI development. Vue.js is a JavaScript framework that helps developers build interactive user interfaces, especially for single page applications. SPAs are websites that load only one page and update content dynamically as the user interacts with them. Vue.js was created by Ivan Yu in 2014 and it gained popularity quickly because it's simple, flexible, and easy to integrate with other projects. The first version of Vue.js came out in 2015 and since then it's been evolving with continuous improvements. So, Vue.js is a front end JavaScript framework for building dynamic user interfaces. Unlike React and Angular, Vue is lightweight, beginner friendly, and easy to integrate. It can be added to any web page using a simple script tag, making it ideal for small projects or enhancing existing applications. Vue offers powerful features with a gentle learning curve, perfect for creating modern and responsive UIs. In addition, here are the key features of Vue.js. First is reactive data binding. Vue.js offers a powerful reactive data binding system that automatically updating the user interface whenever the underlying data changes. This feature ensures that any changes to data are reflected in real time without needing to manually update the DOM, resulting in smoother and more dynamic user experiences. Next is component-based architecture. Vue.js utilizes a component-based architecture where applications are built using reusable and self-contained components. Each component has its own template, logic, and styles, making it easier to manage, scale, and maintain the application. This modular approach encourages reusability and better separation of concerns. Next is directives and declarative syntax. Vue extends HTML with special attributes called directives such as vbind, vmodel, and vif. These directives allow developers to easily enhance the functionality of the UI while maintaining a simple, declarative syntax that is easy to understand and use. This makes it easier to define complex UI behavior without writing cumbersome code. Virtual Document Object Model. One of the standout features of Vue.js is its use of the virtual DOM. Vue creates a virtual representation of the actual DOM, which helps optimize rendering by only making necessary updates to the real DOM. This approach improves performance by reducing the number of reflows and repaints, making the application faster and more responsive. Next is the View CLI or the Command Line Interface. It is a powerful tool that streamlines the process of project setup, development, testing, and deployment. It provides an easy way to scaffold new projects, configure, build systems, and manage dependencies. The Vue CLI also supports plugins, allowing developers to extend its functionality to suit the needs of their project. The Vue Router provides seamless navigation for single page applications, allowing developers to define routes and manage page transitions easily. It ensures that users can navigate between different views without reloading the page, offering a smooth and consistent experience. The next one is the Vuex for state management. Vuex is a state management library for Vue.js that centralizes the management of application state. It ensures that all components share the same state in a predictable manner, making it easier to manage and debug applications, especially in larger projects where multiple components need access to the same data. Lifecycle hooks. Vue.js offers built-in lifecycle hooks such as created, mounted, and destroyed that allow developers to execute specific actions at different stages of a component's lifecycle. This gives developers more control over the behavior of their components and the ability to perform tasks like data fetching or cleanup at appropriate times. Single file components. Single file components or combine the components HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file with a Vue extension. This makes components more organized and modular, enabling developers to manage and maintain them more easily. It also improves development efficiency as everything related to a component is in one place. The two-way data binding. Vue.js supports two-way data binding, which means that changes to the user interface are automatically reflected in the data model and vice versa. This is achieved through Vue's MVVM or the Model View View Model architecture, making it simpler to manage form inputs, user interactions, and other dynamic behaviors. The next one is the unidirectional data flow. In addition to two-way data binding, Vue also supports unidirectional data flow. This means that data flows in one direction from the parent component to the child component, which helps in making the data flow predictable and easy to trace. This clear separation of data handling between components helps in debugging and maintaining the application. Efficient state management. Tools like Vuex make state management more efficient by allowing centralized control of the application state. This prevents problems like inconsistent data across components and simplifies debugging by making the state easier to track and modify. Dynamic UI building. Vue.js is ideal for building interactive and dynamic user interfaces. Whether you are creating a small widget or a large scale web application, Vue allows you to create complex, reactive UIs that are both fast and easy to maintain. This flexibility makes Vue a popular choice for modern web development. Lastly, in community and open source, Vue.js is open source and has a large and active community of developers. The framework is maintained by Ivan Yu and other contributors, and it is constantly evolves with improvements driven by the community. So this means that Vue is not only reliable but also up to date with the latest trends in web development, offering plenty of resources, libraries, and plugins to extend its functionality. Alright, so why you should learn Vue.js? So these are the reasons. First, It is easy to learn. Vue.js has a gentle learning curve and offers comprehensive documentation, making it accessible to beginners. Versatile. Vue.js can be used for projects of all sizes, from simple websites to large-scale applications or projects. Performance. Vue.js offers high performance with virtual DOM and efficient rendering system. Active community. Vue.js has a large and active community that provides support, resources, and plugins, making it easier for developers to solve problems and improve their skills. And flexibility. Vue.js offers flexibility, allowing developers to choose their own tools and libraries for state management, routing, and other aspects of development. Before concluding, let's quickly cover some essential Vue.js concepts. Templates. Vue uses an HTML-based template syntax that allows you to declaratively bind the DOM to the underlying Vue instance's data. Directives. Vue provides special attributes that are prefixed with v, and for example, v-if can be used to conditionally render elements. Events. Vue allows you to listen for DOM events using the von directive. Computed properties. Computed properties are used to define properties that depend on other data properties and will automatically update when those dependencies change. Methods. Methods are functions that can be used in the component's logic. They are defined within the methods object. Getting started with Vue.js is easy. You can add it to your project via a CDN or content delivery network if you just want to try it out, or you can use Vue CLI for more serious projects. Vue CLI will set up everything you need to start coding and managing your project effectively. To sum up, UI development is a crucial aspect of building software applications, focusing on creating interfaces that are both functional and visually appealing. Vue.js is a highly effective JavaScript framework that simplifies the development of dynamic user interfaces. With its powerful features, ease of use, and strong community support, Vue.js is an excellent tool for modern web development.